everyone, I'm on vacation and I'm in Nevada. I went to visit my daughter and her family, and if you remember a couple of years ago, my grandson Blake, he helped me and he made a no-bake peanut butter pie. Well, he was so nice to volunteer to do another video with me. So today we're going to be making a crustless ham and spinach quiche. So what all goes into the crustless ham and spinach quiche? Canola oil spray, 1 tablespoon butter, 6 tablespoons of diced yellow onion, 6 tablespoons diced red pepper, 2 cups diced ham, 5 ounces of baby spinach, which is 4 cups chopped. You can use more or less according to your preference. 2 cups shredded Mexican style cheese, divided, 6 eggs, 1 cup heavy whipping cream, 1/2 teaspoon dry mustard, 1/4 teaspoon salt, and 1/4 teaspoon pepper. So let's begin. So our first step is to preheat the oven to 375 degrees. We've already done that. And then get a 9 or 10 inch pie plate and then spray it with canola oil and set it aside. So next we'll take a small skillet over medium heat.
There we go.
And then melt the butter. So the butter is melted. Add diced onions and peppers. Sauté for 5 minutes, stirring occasionally until vegetables start to soften. All right, so they look like they are done, so shut the heat off and set it aside. By the way, do you love Blake's apron and hat? He had a little bit of trouble cutting the vegetables. Just kidding. All right, so the next step is add the diced ham and chopped spinach to the prepared pie plate. All right, so we only added the 2 cups of spinach because our pan is pretty full. So next we will add the onions and peppers to the prepared pan. And stir to combine. Then add 1.5 cups of the shredded cheese and stir to combine. And then set that aside. So next take your 6 eggs and put them in a medium-sized bowl and whisk the eggs. Then add the heavy cream, the 1/2 teaspoon of dry mustard, add the 1/4 teaspoon of salt, and 1/4 teaspoon of pepper, and whisk to combine. Slowly pour egg mixture over ham and spinach mixture. Sprinkle remaining 1/2 cup shredded cheese evenly over quiche. Put your crustless ham and spinach quiche in a preheated 375 degree oven. And bake it for 40 to 45 minutes or until knife inserted comes out clean. So after 45 minutes, the quiche came out of the oven. It is done. We'll serve it up and then we'll do a taste test. So here is the crustless ham and spinach quiche. Let's do a taste test. You did a good job, Blake. Very good.
Thank you.
What do you think?
I love it personally.
That's why you made it. It was good.
I like it.
Recipe deals for easy meals. Please like, subscribe, and share. This is Cooking with Sherry. Until we meet again.